Okay, so I'm busy putting a back panel onto this rear door. So I've done a little bit of corrosion protection, and now I've been inserting riv nuts into certain holes. And this is the panel, aluminium panel I'm putting on, and on top of this I'm going to put a little shelf that pulls up and secures in place. Okay, so far I have got a platform that I'm going to use to cook on, that I've screwed to the back of the rear door panel, and this platform is going to open like that. The hinges only open that far, so it actually helps keep the platform at 90 degrees to the door panel. And I'm going to have a little cable stay that's going to go from this bolt to this side of the platform. So when it's open, you'll have a diagonal cable stay going from there to that bolt, and that's going to help the hinges with the weight. Right, there we have it, the Land Rover 110 Defender camper conversion rear door table. Willow the Tank's rear door table. I've used checker plating here for grip on this side, and just plain aluminium on that, and this is how we fasten it. We lift the rear door table up, put a wing nut on, and there you have it.